Welcome to our channel RB Creators Media. Today's topic, Mastering LinkedIn, Building an Effective Personal Brand, the ultimate guide to creating a strong personal brand on LinkedIn. In this video, we will equip you with the knowledge and strategies to build an outstanding professional presence on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the leading platform for professionals across various industries. With over 740 million users worldwide, it is crucial to stand out from the crowd and build an effective personal brand. By doing so, you can attract more career opportunities, grow your network, and enhance your credibility within your field. Let's get started. The power of personal branding on LinkedIn. When it comes to LinkedIn, your personal brand is everything. A well-crafted personal brand can demonstrate your expertise, showcase your achievements, and highlight your unique value proposition. It tells your professional story and helps you connect with opportunities you may have never thought possible. Let's explore some key strategies for building your personal brand on LinkedIn. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn profile is your online resume and the first introduction to your personal brand. To optimize it, make sure to 1. Professional profile picture. Choose a professional and friendly headshot that represents your industry. Dress appropriately and ensure it resonates with your career aspirations. 2. Engaging headline. Craft a compelling headline that highlights your expertise and grabs attention. Focus on conveying how you help others or solve their problems. 3. Summary and experience. Write a compelling summary that showcases your unique strengths and experiences. Highlight your key achievements, skills, and the value you bring to potential employers or clients. 4. Skills and recommendations. Select relevant skills that align with your professional goals. Request recommendations from colleagues, managers, or clients to add credibility to your profile. 5. Multimedia and publications. Add relevant media such as articles, videos, or presentations to demonstrate your expertise. Publish original content showcasing your thought leadership to engage with your network. Creating engaging content. Engaging content is the heart of building an effective personal brand on LinkedIn. Follow these tips to create content that resonates with your audience. 1. Share valuable insights. Share industry-specific knowledge, tips, and insights that provide value to your connections. Position yourself as an authority in your field by sharing your expertise regularly. 2. Utilize various formats. Experiment with different content formats such as articles, images, videos, or infographics. Visual content tends to grab attention and increase engagement. 3. Consistency is key. Develop a consistent posting schedule that keeps your audience engaged without overwhelming them. Regularly engage with your audience by responding to comments and initiating discussions. Effective networking on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is not just a place to showcase your skills, it's also a powerful networking platform. Here's how you can take advantage of LinkedIn's networking capabilities. 1. Expand your network. Connect with professionals in your industry, colleagues, alumni, and potential clients. Attend LinkedIn events or join relevant groups to expand your network even further. 2. Engage meaningfully. Engage with your connections by commenting on their posts and sharing their valuable content. Send personalized messages to strengthen your professional relationships. 3. Seek recommendations. Request recommendations from your connections to increase your credibility. Offer to provide recommendations in return to foster mutually beneficial relationships. Standing out on LinkedIn. In a sea of professionals, standing out on LinkedIn is essential. Consider these strategies to differentiate yourself. 1. Showcase achievements. Highlight your major accomplishments, certifications, and awards in your profile. Share success stories that demonstrate the value you bring to your field. 2. Participate in groups. Engage in LinkedIn groups related to your industry and share your expertise. Active participation can position you as a thought leader and attract valuable connections. 3. Personalize connection requests. When reaching out to new connections, craft personalized messages explaining why you want to connect. Show a genuine interest in their work or achievements to strengthen the connection. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge and strategies to build an effective personal brand on LinkedIn. By optimizing your profile, creating engaging content, networking effectively, and standing out from the crowd, you will be well on your way to unlocking new professional opportunities. Remember that consistency and authenticity are key on your LinkedIn journey. Thank you for watching Mastering LinkedIn, Building an Effective Personal Brand. Do subscribe the channel, like, share the video, and don't forget to give your views over the comment below. Bye, see you all in the next video.